Hey guys, so in this video I'll be sharing the books which you need to buy for your first year of BDS, and I'll only be suggesting the books which you need to physically buy and keep with yourself. There are other books as well, but what you can do is you can get them issued from the library or download their PDFs. So I'm not suggesting those books. So basically in first year you have 4 subjects but 3 exams. So the subjects are anatomy, physiology, biochemistry and dental anatomy and dental histology, which is generally called DADH. But the thing is, the exam for physiology and biochemistry is together. They are in parts, so basically there are 3 exams. One for anatomy and one physio-biochemistry and one DADH. Okay, so let's start with anatomy. So for anatomy, basically the most important book is BD Chaurasia. It is having 4 volumes, and probably the third volume is called Head and Neck, and that is the one which is used in most colleges. There is also a volume of this BD Chaurasia. It's called BD Chaurasia Anatomy for dental students, but you can confirm if that's the one you need in your college or just the Head and Neck. And the rest of the volumes are not needed necessarily. They are used in some colleges, but you can again confirm about it in your college. But most probably you need Head and Neck. And apart from this, you also need the small handbook for anatomy by BD Chaurasia. That handbook is basically needed for like the dissection hall, and before starting the actual course, that is the book which is used initially for the first few weeks. And apart from this, you also need Inderveer Singh's Human Embryology and Inderveer Singh's Human Histology. Both of these books are not used that much, but they're still important for exams, and you need to get them. You can also buy Cunningham's Manual of Practical Anatomy, but what I would suggest is that you just download the PDF for these. And also, Gray's Anatomy is the standard textbook, but you probably don't need it, so it's better to not buy it. And if in case you need it, you can just refer to it from the library. Now, let's talk about physiology. So in physiology, you need to buy, the most important book is Textbook of Physiology by A.K. Jain. For physiology, the standard textbook is Guyton and Hall and Gomes, but I felt like I never used them, and I don't think that you'll be requiring them either. So you can refer to them, but you don't need to get them. In biochemistry, you need to buy Textbook of Biochemistry by Vasudevan. There's also a book called Biochemistry by Dr. S.K. Gupta. I feel that this book is kind of easy, and this is the one I had for myself. And there is also a book by Satyanarayan. So you can see which one is used in your college and buy any one of these. Guys, physiology and biochemistry, as I said, they have the exam together. So it is important that you don't get too involved in this subjects, and try to give equal importance to both of them. So that is why it is better to just stick to the books which are used for exams purposes. And now coming on to the subject which I feel is the most important for first year, and that is dental anatomy and dental histology, commonly called as DADH. For DADH, the most important book is Wheeler's Dental Anatomy. I feel that this is the most important subject and you should focus on it the most. The other book which you need for DADH is Orban's Histology and Embryology. You'll also need a Manual of Oral Histology by Maji Jose. This book is very important and it is used for making diagrams in oral histology. So guys, these were the books which I feel were most important for BDS. There is one more book which is most recommended by a lot of people, and that is Mastering BDS. I feel that you can buy it to see how to write answers, but don't depend on that book because that will lead you nowhere, and it is like a guidebook, but it will not give you knowledge. So try to avoid using Mastering for anything, and for your exams, it is better that you study from the books itself. So guys, the links and prices for all these books are mentioned in the description below, so you can check them out there. As I conclude, I'd like to say that it is better for you to pick the book which you feel comfortable with, rather than buying all the books. And it is better to stick to one book. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any questions or queries, you can write them in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.